Hello friends, if you understand what I am saying right now, I have good news for you. Your English is much better than you think. In fact, you are already ready to learn English through English. But the problem is this, many learners think like this. I want to speak English fluently, but I want to learn English through Sinhalese language. I need every word translated and I need grammar explained in Sinhalese language. But have you ever asked yourself why children don't learn language that way? Understanding is enough. You don't want to understand each and every word when you are listening to something. The thing is really when English language is adjusted to your level, you understand everything and your brain learns patterns. That is how fluency develops. Clear? You don't learn swimming by reading books about swimming, not listening to lectures about swimming. You learn swimming being in the water. That's what's happening. English works the same way. That is exactly why I created EnglishWind Blueprint. It will help you learn English language at home using modern technology and social media, YouTube, whatever you have. It's really easy. You can acquire fluency with that program. EnglishWind Blueprint is priced for everyone. We are launching it on 10th August 2026. If you're ready to stop learning about English and living with English, just send us a WhatsApp message to the number on the screen.